Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you how to use a Clearbit Connect. When you're using Clearbit Connect, then how to you can use it to find the emails of a person and the companies you want to find. So you have to go the compose option and select this Clearbit. Here you go, this bar. You can enter a domain or company here. For example, I'm searching for digital trends. Search for it, click this. Here we go, people at digital trend. For example, Dan Gaul, the founder and CTO of digital trends. So click this, and here we go, the email of CEO of digital trends, that is Dan Digital Trends. You can you can put it on your that inbox, send message, whatever. So that's how you can use your Clearbit Connect to find the emails of other person. Now you can send your email to the CEO of this digital trend. So that's how Clearbit Connect works. It can find emails for a CEO and members of a companies. So you have to search companies or domains on this option, and you can find emails of persons or companies, personal emails and company emails here. So that's how you can work with Clearbit Connect. Thanks for watching this video.